the individual preparation.
Yeah,
Okay.
just start the meeting because it's gonna get late.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah, okay.
We're just going over part 2 of the preparation, letter E.
Okay.
And we're just doing like the p-value and making sure we both know how to get it.
Like that t equals x minus u? No.
I just use the normal applet to find the p-value.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Part 2, you said?
But are you guys figuring it out, kind of? I don't know.
I'm trying to do the normal probability that you say, the applet for the point minus 0.118.
Yeah.
And for some reason, the area that they give me is 0.4530. So no.
Are the two tails highlighted and not the middle?
Oh, it had to be the two of them?
Yeah, you have to have the two tails highlighted, but not the middle. That's what the
Exactly.
p-value is.
Still
Is it
not
a little
good.
bit?
No,
What's the
it's
answer?
0.9061.
Yeah, that's what I got, and I'm wondering if it's okay.
Oh
because
yeah,
it's
that's right.
close. Because it's close, but it's not what she got. So I'm wondering.
Did you understand that, Zoila, on part E?
On
The
part
last
E?
page? Yeah, the last page. Did you know how to get the p-value in there?
No, I couldn't. I was trying to find in the SPS, but I didn't. I couldn't figure, and I was hearing that Ellie was talking with you about
So
that.
do you know what the SPS is, right?
Yes.
The blue screen, remember?
Exactly. Exactly.
Okay. So every time they talk about the SPS, it's the other computer, the
I
computer
know.
from school. So yeah, I don't know. I'm not 100%. Did the guy from the video shows that or not? Let me check.
No, he
I don't
didn't
think
talk
so.
anything about the p-value in this way.
Correct, but they said it's found on the SPS under the t-test, and since it's two sides or two tails, you're supposed to divide it. But as far as I see, the one that I got is 0.000. So if you divide it by 2, it's still 0.00. How do they got 907? Maybe let's wait for. Did the Alma accept the invitation or not yet?
No, she hasn't
don't think
joined.
so.
She hasn't messaged me either, so I'm not sure if she's joining us or not.
Yeah.
I'll message her real quick.
Yeah. Okay. You got her cell?
No, I just have her on Google Hangouts, but she usually responds right away.
Okay, yeah, do that so that way we know if maybe she can help us with this.
Oh, okay. Yes, with the number 6, I went also to the applet.
Number 6.
Number 6 in the number for the.
What letter?
The letter in the C, the B, where we have a minus 0.118.
Yeah.
You did the applet?
The applet.
So
you go in the applet and then you put that in the bottom, and then will give you a number on the top. And so that's how you keep figuring the other ones.
Did you get 0.9061?
Let me check my applet. I think I still have there the data. It is in the right. Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
I think it's close enough to where it's not significant if it's like that one number off.
It is 0.9061.
Yeah,
But
that's
you
what we
have
both
to put
got.
in the
Okay.
bottom. You have to put in the bottom, and then we'll give you the result.
Mhm. Okay, so I think it's close enough that it's okay.
I
Do you guys
think
have any other questions on the preparation assignment?
No, other than that, no.
Okay, I think that was good too. It was pretty straightforward, I thought. What about you, Zoila? Do you have any questions?
no, I think I just was confused with the word, the letters that they are using, but since that the formula that they use, it is like the C equals like we used before, but we are using the other words that we had in the last lesson,
Uh-huh.
that they told us that when are going to use the sample statistic. We are not working with the population right now, I think so.
Yeah, you got it right.
Uh-huh.
All right, so we can start the group meeting. Wait,
Okay.
hold on one moment.
So I find easier to use the applet than the SPS because
It's
I
faster.
have
It's
a,
a lot.
I have a hard time with the other one. I don't know how about you.
All right.
All right, I'm ready.
I can
Okay.
go first. Let's start with number 3. Okay. In previous lessons, we have assumed the population standard deviation sigma was known. In this lesson, we are making a different assumption about sigma. What was changed?
Yes.
It's letter B. We
We
assume that
as
sigma is unknown.
yes.
Okay. All right. Who wants to go next?
So you say it's letter C.
B.
We assume sigma is unknown.
Yeah, that's for this lesson. We're assuming that we don't know sigma for this entire lesson.
Oh, because I got that on the third place instead of the
I
second
have in the
one.
first place.
Oh, that's
Oh,
I
okay.
have in
maybe
the
all
first
of
place.
us has
Okay,
a
well, let's
different.
just say the answer instead of the letter.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, because I was
Mine
like,
it is in the
okay.
first one.
All right. Alma said she'll be with us in just a moment. So
Oh, okay.
All right,
let's go ahead and
so
continue to number 4.
the null hypothesis is H is U equals A, and the alternative hypothesis is greater than A. And the population standard deviation is unknown. Baker collects a sample of psi n equals 9 and computes x equals 11 and s is equals 6. Use the information for question 4-5. Is standard deviation known? No, right?
Yeah, I put no.
No, 2.
And what is the value of t? Round to the decimal.
All
2.
right.
So let's see. Hold on.
I think
So
it is 2. It is 11 minus 8.
Hold on.
Yeah,
Hold on.
11 minus 8.
Divided 6.
Let me work.
All right.
Hold on.
So it would be 11 minus 8 divided by 6 divided by the square root of 9.
9, exactly.
I got
And give us
1.5.
1.5. Do we round to 2?
No,
No,
and this
it's
one
one
it
decimal.
says, yeah.
1?
One.
Yeah.
It's
be
only
1?
1 decimal point.
Oh, okay.
So what was your answer, Alma?
Oh, Ellie.
Ellie,
1.5.
sorry.
Oh, you're good.
1.5.
1.5.
1.5. That's the answer, right?
Yeah, that's
Yes.
what I got.
But says that we have to round to the 1 to 1, I think so.
Yeah,
So
one decimal point. So we can keep it like that because but 0.5 is our one decimal point.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So then we keep 1.5.
Yes, that's your answer. 1.5.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Because says that we have to round? No.
Round to 1 decimal means that, let's say it's 1.56. So in order for you to round to 1 decimal, you got it. That 0.56 is just start to be 1.6. That's it.
Oh,
So
thank
it's
you.
okay. That's rounding to 1 decimal. That means that you have to round the decimal, the first decimal between the first and the second decimal. Okay?
Oh, thank you. Yeah, thank you.
I.
Okay.
All right. We'll go ahead and start the next one. So
I had a problem with the other one because I don't know how to do in the SPS. Says that we have to copy.
yeah, I can do it real quick if you guys want. I'll do this one.
And how? Okay.
Okay, it says use the following values which were pulled from the data file body temp. Copy and paste them into the software you're assigned to use. So the null hypothesis is mean equals 98.6, and the alternative hypothesis is the mean is less than 98.6, and the level of significance is A equals 0.05. So it asks, what is X bar?
Sorry.
So,
Hello.
So really, hi.
Hi.
Alma, we went ahead and started the quiz. We're on number 6, and we'll catch you up once we finish the quiz.
Okay.
Okay, so for number 6, we just take all those numbers and we find the mean of those numbers.
But do we have to take them in the SPS? No.
I can just do it really quick on Excel. Hold on.
Do we have to put in alphabetical? I mean,
no,
that doesn't. Nothing,
no.
right? Just
no,
put
the
it the way
software
it
does
is.
that.
Just in Excel.
All right. I'm putting it in. Hold on.
So Excel will do.
Okay, I got 98.220. And I used Excel, and then I just found the mean of all the numbers.
98.220. Okay.
Yes. All right, and then I'll go ahead and do.
But do you do in the normal Excel, or has to be the one that it is with the?
I was just using.
Screen?
I just use normal Excel really quick because I don't have my SPS open.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I just used Excel, and I just copied and pasted the numbers, and then I found the mean of the numbers with the formula.
Wow.
All right, and I can just go ahead and do all the questions that go with this question.
Mm-hmm.
So it says, what is S? So this would just be the standard deviation of all the numbers, and I could just plug that in really quickly. Okay.
You're on 7?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, I got 0.922. And if you guys want to check these yourselves, feel free to. I'm using Excel to get these numbers, so.
Yeah, I'm trying to do that so that way we can be 100% sure.
All right. Well,
with
how
the
about
SPS, but you can continue. I just wrote it down the answer so you don't have me stuck because I'm getting.
If you get another number, tell us so we can figure out what it is.
Just keep working and I write out the answers you got from the following. Just let me get into this.
Okay. All right. Number 8 says, what is the t-score? So we would do. Sorry, let me pull up my thing. All right, we would do X bar, which is our answer from number 6, so 98.220 minus the mean, which is 98.6. And then we divide that by S, which is the answer to number 7, so 0.922. And then we divide S by the square root of how many numbers there are on that list, and there's 20 numbers on that list, so we divide it by the square root of 20. Alright, so after I did all that calculation, for number 8, I got negative 1.843.
Negative 1.843?
Yes. And then, of course, number 8 depends on if I got 6 and 7 right, so.
Mhm.
And then for the p-value, I just put that number, negative 1.843. I put it into the normal applet, and then I found the p-value of 0.065.
For the 8, what
Number
is the
Number
uh-huh.
8, what is the t-score?
Uh-huh.
I got it was negative 1.843.
843.
Yeah. And then number 9, you just put that t-score into the normal applet in the
Applet.
bottom box. And I got 0.065.
Now, when you do SPS, the confidence interval for the mean, would it be 99 or 95?
I don't know. They don't tell us. I don't think we need
That's
it.
what it get me confused, because it doesn't specify in the exercise if you do towards the 95. Let me do 95 just in case and see if we can see this. Okay. So the mean was kind of a little bit different. If it's by 99, it just say that, hold on. It says 98. 98.221.
Oh, so it's just that one number.
Yeah, but I
So
don't know
it
how
won't
this
make
is.
I don't think it'll make a big difference.
And then number 7, what was it?
I got 0.922.
Yeah, but what was the question?
What is the S? So like the standard deviation.
So the standard deviation is 0.947.
Oh, that one's different.
Yeah, let me try with 99%, so maybe that makes a difference. Hold on. Because those numbers are kind of different, you know, and I just don't know if we can do it that way or not. Hold on.
Yeah, and it doesn't tell us what the confidence is, so that's a little bit of a problem, I guess.
Let me try with 99. If 99 matches, then we're okay.
Adriana, and for the SPS, you just copy and paste that in the blue screen.
Yeah, you gotta copy the data, the information. No, Ellie, it's different. So I'm not 100% sure if we're doing it.
Okay. Is there a way on SPS to do it without the confidence percentage?
I mean, you are supposed to either type it or it's automatically in there.
Well, I mean, can't you just put in the list of numbers and then find the mean of those numbers?
Yeah, it gives you everything in the SPS. It gives you the standard deviation and everything, but it looks like it's different. So I don't.
I know. I just don't know if we need a confidence percentage at all because it doesn't give us one. And I don't think we're allowed to assume.
In the previous exercise that you have done, does it match the information from this part 2 to the SP to the ones in Excel that you've been doing?
Yeah.
All right. Then if it matches, it works. I mean, I might be doing something wrong. I don't know.
No, you're probably right. I think it's just that the confidence level.
Hold on, because I'm trying to do 2 different computers because I opened the quiz. I opened the quiz in the regular computer and I have the in the other system. Okay. So use the phone. Let me read again. Use the phone, copy into the software you're assigned. Put it on the software. It doesn't say which one, but I guess it's up to you.
Yeah.
And then you got the hypothesis, the alternative, and it doesn't say anything else. I mean,
says quantitative inference procedure.
Yeah, that's the Excel file.
Uh-huh.
which I guess Ellie is using, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
But since I haven't done it on Excel,
I don't know how to work in that too.
what do you think, Alma?
I'm trying to catch up with the other questions, so I haven't even paid close attention to what you're going back and forth with.
Yeah. Number 3 will be we assume the O is unknown.
No.
So number 4 will be no, and number 5 will be 1.5.
Okay.
So for number 6, as Ali was saying, we're trying to figure it out. Because on SPS, in order for you to find the mean in everything, you gotta, one of the options say that you gotta put the, what was it? Let me go back to the other screen.
We have to copy all the numbers that they gave us.
Yeah, no, that's not a problem.
Uh-huh.
The problem is
Where
it's
to put
asking
it?
you for, what was the name? It's asking you to be the confident level.
Uh-huh.
So it can be 95. Sometimes in the video I saw that they can do it 95 or they can do it 99, which actually make a difference. So
Are you using Excel because the SSPSS you can't open or use?
I'm
yeah,
just using because I don't have it open right now.
Oh.
But if you guys have it open, I want you guys to tell me what you're getting.
That's
yeah,
what
I am on it right now, but it's just the values are different. Like for the mean, it shows that the mean is 98.221, and Ellie has 98.996, right?
Yeah, something like that.
So, those kind of decimals can give you wrong answer. So, but my question is that if it's just going by what kind of let me see it again. What is it? All right, let me see. They say that in order to
I'm trying
use
to open it right now.
Okay.
How many kids went to your animation class?
Analyze, descriptive, explore,
Do
statistics.
you know anybody by name now? Like who?
One person. There's one person named Piper.
Piper? That's cool.
Another person named Jacob.
What did Dad think about your class?
Didn't say anything about it.
Did he go downstairs to pick you up?
Just give us.
There's another person named Taylor.
Ellie, I don't think it gives something different. I see that the mean from 98 or 99 or 95 is the same. So
Yeah.
I don't think it makes a lot of difference on it. What did I say? Yeah, it has the same standard deviation.
The
So
standard deviation we have the same.
no, not the same as not the same.
No,
as
you don't have the standard deviation.
I got the standard deviation. I got 0.92201. The number 7.
Yeah, but you just rounded off to the 3 decimals after the point.
Okay, so it's
It's a 0.
0.922. 0.
I think I heard that the values from Excel and the SPS are always gonna be a little different.
I don't think they're going to be the same.
Yes, no. So I think the system will take either of the answers in my understanding. I don't know. Because since they say that the values are a little off from one, from one of another, so I think the system will recognize either of the answers.
I found that I got the results that Ellie got, 98 point
You got it from where? Excel?
from SPS.
XPS.
Uh-huh.
Really?
Yes.
So how do you do it?
I just copy paste and I open a new one,
Uh-huh.
and then I put it there, and then I went to the I wanna see what I
Analyst.
analyze and then
Analyze.
explore. Analyze and then explore,
Uh-huh.
and then I got says mean 98.22, and then we have the
Then image. Maybe I'm doing something wrong.
standard deviation of 0.
Okay, what did you get in the mean again? 98.221?
Uh-huh.
And the standard deviation?
0.922.
922. Well, we got the mean right, because I got the
And we
same
also-
mean as you, but I have a different standard deviation, so let's just go by what.
I have three different programs, so I can't open that SSP thing.
Probably because we have the files that we got from the data that we choose to work, but you have to open a new one where it says SPM, SPSS, and then you go and put your data there, and then after you go to the analyze, and we'll give you the. I just got it because I was struggling with that and I didn't know how to do.
Okay. So let's continue, I guess.
Okay. Okay. So actually, I was looking over it. For number 9, I think I changed my answer. So for the p-value, I was highlighting the 2 tails when I put in the t-score, but since in the beginning statement of the question it says that the mean is less than 98.6, you only highlight
one side.
tail. Yeah,
just one side.
My new p-value, I changed it to 0.033 for number 9.
9?
Yeah, 0.033.
Yeah, because it's gonna be, if you think about it, if you have the both sides selected, which was 0.065,
that would
you
be
divide it by 2,
equal
and
to-
will give you the 0.33. So you got that right.
So we have to put in the left sides, right?
Because it's negative. Your answer is negative.
Okay.
All right. So A was minus 1.843,
So the
and then the 9 changed 0.033. All right, so they say that what is the correct decision based on the evidence? Okay, so if the level of significance is 0.05 and this is 0.03, so it's less.
So it says reject the null hypothesis if the p-value is less than the level of significance.
So we would reject it.
We will reject, and then no, that's it. It didn't ask you for the last part. Okay.
All right. So let's do the next one.
It's gonna be the same stuff again.
Yeah.
All right. Let's try again.
Okay.
Can someone of you can read it? Either Alma or Zoila.
I can read it, but I can't open the SPS thing.
I will go.
Yeah, we'll work it through it.
Do you want me to read it?
Please.
Okay, it says use the following values which were pulled from data file Baby Boom JSE. Oh, this is similar to what's in the book. These values are the wait time in minutes between births at a hospital. Copy and paste them into the software you were assigned to use. This is SPSS 220 and 223. The hospital claims that the average time between births is 40 minutes and plans its resources allocated based on this claim. You want to test this claim, you select HO mean of 40. Are you okay? It says your first alternative hypothesis is negative 40, or not 40, and you use a level of significance of 0.01. What is the p-value?
So I was
It will be.
assuming I did this problem while you guys were talking about the last problem. I got a p-value of 0.995, but if you guys want to check on the SPS, that'd be great.
Hold
You
on.
see me there? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Comparing theta.
Did you guys get anything yet?
I'm working on it.
Alright.
How did you do that, Ellie?
I did it just like the last one we did. All the numbers, I just copied and pasted them. And
You
then
take
I found the mean and the standard deviation, and then I found the z-score of that, and then I plugged in the z-score in the normal applet to find the p-value.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so just like the last one.
Uh-huh.
So Ellie, based on your answer, you would fail to reject this, correct?
Yeah, that's what I put.
For some reason, it's not working for me this time. I don't know if something wrong with the system or anything.
For
So
your
what you got
standard,
in 11 again?
0.995.
And then you reject the null hypothesis?
You failed to
Failed
reject
to
it.
reject.
Or fail to you reject because it's higher, right?
Yeah.
It's greater. So
Yeah.
you decide to try another ternary hypothesis this time. That's 13. Are you working on 13?
Yeah, I'm just looking at it. I can read it
Oh.
real quick. Okay, it says you decide to try another alternative hypothesis. This time you use the alternative hypothesis mean is less than 40. And you keep the same level of significance. Did the p-value increase or decrease? So we would just go to the normal applet and we would change what's highlighted to just
Less
the
than
left
40?
tail.
Yeah, the left tail.
And then, so that means it would decrease, right? Because it goes down a little. No, let me recalculate the number real quick.
40.
So if it decrease, will reject the null hypothesis?
What is the p-value?
Oh, I'm trying to find that. I don't know why my numbers are coming out all weird. You guys have, do you guys know what the p-value is for if the mean is less than 40?
The p-value is less than 40.
40, 0, 40 minus 40.
The answer.
The mean is like the average or the middle of a whole bunch of numbers. Like let's say if you
Like the hypothesis or something?
no, so let's say if you have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you want to know what that, you can say that, but it's not the correct definition.
Let me put this information again in the stuff.
Sorry.
Normalize, restricted, explore.
I think it's number 12. I got like 0.5 something. So I think it would be failed to reject the null.
What were you looking before? The mean?
I was
No,
just
you have
wondering what the
to know what the p-value is.
yeah. And I kept getting like weird numbers when I tried it again, so that's why I was asking.
Hold on.
But let's hold on.
What's the test value in this case? It will be 40?
Greater than 40, or yeah, greater than 40.
How much you got, Ellie?
For what?
For your p-value, how much you got?
Oh, I was asking you because I like redid it 3 times and I got different
Well,
numbers.
if I did it right, which I'm not 100% sure, it's giving you, it's only for one side, right?
Yeah.
It's 0.264, but I don't know
But
if I'm doing it.
Yeah, I got a number that's a little like it's like 0.5 something, and I think I'm doing it wrong though. But
Yeah,
I'm pretty sure.
0.528 is for two sides, but if you divide it by 2, which is one side, you got 2.264.
So let's say if either of those two numbers are greater than the p-value, you would then
Fail to reject.
yeah.
So both of our numbers were above the p-value, but they are really weird still. 21, 21.
Adriana, where do we get the p-value in the SPS?
In the SPS, once you do analyze,
Mm-hmm.
you will do compare means. Then you choose
Oh.
one sample t-test.
Oh.
And in the t-test, you put I guess the 40%, because in the test, The
Uh-huh.
t-test, you're supposed to put your null hypothesis, which is 40. It doesn't let you do it more or less, so I just put 40. And
Oh,
then
okay.
once you get the information on it, you go to the little square that says t-test,
Uh-huh.
and there will be the 6 two-tail, which is giving me a 0.52a. But they say when it's only for one tail, you divide it
Uh-huh.
by 2. So that's why I
Oh,
divided 0.52a divided by 2 is 0.264. But I don't know if I'm doing it right because, as I said, today I had a lot of assignments to finish,
uh-huh.
and my eyes are all tired. My homie is all
Oh,
tired. It's gonna be 11 o'clock here, so
I
I'm
know.
already in pajamas. Yeah, Angry Birds. So I would say the same as Ellie, failed to reject. And then
Okay.
for the last one,
This is for you.
compare the width of the confidence interval for question 11 and question 13. Ay, ay, ay. Which one is wider? But it's not giving us number.
Maybe it's
11 is 0.995. So 13, what it will be? So 13
maybe
is
it's the same because it has the same level of significance.
compare
I don't know. I'm not
the
sure.
weight of confidence interval. But that one was on the part 2, right? And if you see on part 2, what was it?
Oh,
In part 2, okay, on part 2
oh, okay.
exercise 5,
We had failed to reject.
you will have to have two different data.
Mhm.
Because in here, for example, it gives you 95% and a 99%.
It says, as confidence levels increase, the width of confidence intervals increase. We could also say, as the confidence levels increase, the margin of error increases. So let me see what that says.
Well, I think maybe since it doesn't state it at all, then it has to be the same for both problems, right?
Yeah.
I think.
Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and submit it, and then I'll tell you guys.
So which one you put it for the 15?
You
Failed.
put there the same.
Okay, I just submitted it. Number 15 is there the same. And then number 9 is wrong,
Number 9 is wrong.
but I don't know why. Hold
Yeah,
on.
we're having issue with the p-value, you see?
Yeah, I know.
Aha, yes.
Let me try it again. So we got the
What?
t-score right, so we can just find the p-value using the t-score. Negative 1.843.
What else was wrong, Ellie?
That was it, just those two.
Oh, so you got it right from the Excel, so that's good. I gotta figure it out in SPS if what I'm doing wrong.
And what do we have for the 15? They are the same?
15 is they're the same.
And for the 14 is reject or fail.
Fail to reject.
The
Alright,
15 is
number
freeze.
We're working on the p-value, Zoila, hold on.
Yes, that's what I am trying. P-value.
Yeah, that was the same question I had at the beginning. Remember that I
I
say
know.
how do we calculate the p-value?
Exactly. And I think
3 decimal places.
in that number is, yes.
I still got the same answer for it.
In SPS?
No, I just used the normal applet. But if you guys are getting a different answer, tell me. I'm not sure.
Yeah, that's the issue that I don't even know how they get the 0.907 on part 2. So I don't even know how to do it in this case because It says on one of the video, on the third video, that in order for you to get the p-value, you will have to do, put certain information on the SPS and then divide it by 2 if the value is too high. But I will have to put this information again. Hold on.
It wouldn't. It shouldn't. You shouldn't have to, because those two above will give you p-value.
Which one?
You know how you're saying that it's with that t-score or that s that you would find the p-value. So if those are right, I'm not sure why the p-value isn't. Right, Ellie?
So what you're doing, Ellie, is get the formula from T, and
Yeah.
the results that you got from there, you put it in the applet, and that's why you get the 0.033, right?
Yeah, and I'm wondering if I'm highlighting it wrong.
All right. So did you get a negative or a positive when you get at the T value?
It's negative.
Negative what?
Negative 1.843.
Negative. Could you repeat that again, please?
Negative 1.843.
That's the t-score.
Yeah. And then it says the mean is the alternative hypothesis says that the mean is less than 40, which means that you have to highlight the left tail. And when I highlight the left tail, I get 0.0327, but you have to round it up to 3 decimal places. So that's why I changed it to 0.033.
I'm going to put a 2 and just see what happens. So I'm going to put 0.032.
All right, you submit yours and see what happens.
So number still wrong.
I wonder, maybe we can just, I don't know, maybe I can email her and ask her to send us all an email with an explanation.
Yeah, that would be great, Ellie, because it's if we let it like that, we're going to have issue in the exam.
Yeah. Okay, well, we'll go ahead and put our answer for now. And then
Okay, I'm just going to put it.
And when I post the link tonight on the group collaboration to her, I'll just ask her to send us all an email to help us with that number and see what she can do.
Thank you so much, Ellie.
Yeah. When do you guys want to meet next?
Monday, I guess, the same time.
Monday, same time? Does that work for everyone? 7:30
Yeah.
Mountain Time? Okay, well, I'll go ahead and send out an invite then. So, all right, I'll see you guys next week.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Bye now.
Bye.